Hello everyone, it's Daniel with Website Candy, and today I just want to give you a quick Apple tip and trick you can possibly use on a day-to-day basis. The funny thing is, we have these $1,000 iPhones. However, we only use about, I want to say, $150 worth of the value. But if you learn how to use this iPhone, you can get more use out of it and you can get more bang for your buck. And what I want to show you today is in reminders. I don't know if you guys use reminders or not, but it just kind of drives me nuts sometimes when I hear people say, "Oh, I forgot." I'm like, "What? You got $1,000 iPhone in your pocket? How do you forget?" But we're going to do this together, and I'm just going to say, real quickly, there's a grocery store around the corner from me. I don't even know the address of it, and you don't have to know the address. But what you can do is you can say that place, and the iPhone is smartphone, to give you a geo bubble for that location. So let's try it out here. Remind me to get some steaks when I go to the Fries on McDowell's.
Which location?
Now you see it's asking me the location, so I'm just going to select this one right
Okay.
here,
Added.
and it's been added. Okay, so now if we go into this Fry's grocery store, okay, and I said McDowell, but um, I kind of messed it up to where I didn't necessarily get the right location, but for the sake of this video, it's okay. So you can see all these different customizations that you can do when it comes to your location, whatever. So right here, it's on um, the custom, so you can see the little geo bubble right here, and I can also see this right here on the phone, I mean on the computer. And as you can see that it just all syncs up perfectly. As long as you're logged into the same iCloud account, you can see how simple and easy this is. But it creates this little bubble here, and it just shows you how to get, once you get to this location, and it has my address above there, and I blurred that out for the sake of the video. But as you can see, it's very simple to, just ask it. And let's do one more time. Let's do it one more time. Remind me to buy a new hard drive when I arrive at the Best Buy on Camelback Road. Okay, I know that there is a Best Buy. The one that I typically go to is on Camelback Road, and as you can see here, all the details in regards to this little geo bubble that it will create. And if you have your contacts, and I'm not going to open up my contact list, but if you have your contacts in your phone, the way that they should be, when it comes to a person's address and when it comes to a person's everything filled out, you can ask it to remind you when you go to, for instance, someone's house, and because you have their information stored in your phone. But you can do all kind of different things. You can say, remind me to call my friend Kyle when I leave home.
Okay. Added.
Okay, so you can see there that it's been added. So when I leave this little geo fence, and it already has my home here set up, and if I click into this right here, well, it's not going to arrive or home. You can see here that it's showing me my home, and when I arrive or I'm leaving, when I leave this bubble, it's automatically going to show that alert. That message is going to pop off when I leave the house. So go ahead and give it a try. Let me know how it works out for you, and leave me a comment. Let me know if this is something that you will use, or if this is something that you didn't realize that the phone did. All right, thanks for watching. Goodbye.